Hello everyone. I'm not going to be posting for a couple months because I have no ideas on what I should do videos anymore. This is only temporary for a couple months. I'll come back, but I'm not going to be posting for a couple months or a couple days. The reason why is I don't know what I'm doing. I'm only doing this for fun and stuff like that. But I will be posting on my Instagram, so you can go check out my Instagram. It's on one of my videos. You can see I'll post on it a lot or something like that. Probably be doing lives and stuff. So yeah, bye.